Good afternoon. My name is Hae Sun Kim, an advisor of Gangnam Labor Law Firm. And today we are going to talk about the practical guide for employment and labor issue published by Attorney Jung. I believe that this book was published end of last year. So I would like to raise a couple of questions about this book. So could you explain, Attorney Jung, could you explain about the background of the reason why you have published this book?
Okay, thank you for inviting me and giving me opportunity to explain this book. This is a new published book. It was published about just 5 months ago. It's a very brand new book. For my books, I always publish the bilingual Korean and English books, but this book is only published in Korean language. The reason is this book, the target people for this book is not the HR managers. Of course, there is HR managers, but also common the people who are working for the company. So also who are interested in getting job. So those people, they need to obtain some basic information how to act, how to behave in the workplace. So this book will help them to understand about their basic etiquette at workplace or a basic employment law. So that was the reason what I make based on this book. Yeah.
I see. You have briefly explained about the content of the book, but could you point out some key points of the book and how it is described to be able to become a practical guide for employment and labor issues?
Yeah. So the books I published, they are very professional books, but this book I made for normal people who can read it very easily and understand very quickly. So I make it very simple sentences. Also, I try to use very relates the labor cases for each the topics. So there are about 72 topics I made under about 9 different categories. So also this book actually is designed to make those people who are look for the job, also any people who are working for the company. So if they read this book, they'll understand about their legal right. So as a labor attorney, I help many the companies and workers. So if they are not familiar with those their legal right, they cannot find their own right. So this book, I'm sure it will be a powerful tool to understand about their legal right, also how to get the protection on those legal right. Yeah.
I see. I think it can be very beneficial for the ordinary people to protect their legal right, and it can target some other specialists. Could you explain about how you're going to promote this book so that the number of people as well as ordinary people and some special people like experts can also read this book and buy more?
Yeah, I hope many readers try to buy this book and understand. Also, those people who read this book promote this book or recommend, so other people can buy this book. So this book you can order it through internet or in big bookstores. I think about 2 months ago I visited the Yeongpung Mungo, Yeongpung bookstore in downtown. I saw several books were exhibited on the book shelf. So it was very impressive because this book is commonly accepted as a normal books, not professional. So in HR Human Resource Department section in bookstore, you can find this book very easily. Also, this book is made for normal people, not the professional people. So if you read this book, I'm sure it will be your tool or weapon to protect yourself. I hope you enjoyed reading this book. Yeah.
Thank you very much. So I hope that more and more ordinary people can get access to this book so that they can protect their legal right. Thank you for your time.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.